What's up, folks? I'm waiting for Walt to record, but while I wait, I wanted to give you this sneak peek that I found. Mercans dropped a digital sales room. This jumped out at me immediately because I'm in the final stages of payroll evaluation, the RFP, the long phone calls, the multiple demos, all the things, all the painful pieces of this process. And apparently they are going to change this. So let's see what they're talking about. I did a little of my own digging as well, right? Like, I don't just go off of the news articles that I find and the press releases and things like that. I do some more digging. But I wanted to share this with you because, again, first of its kind, was very it's resonating right now because of where I'm at in the payroll evaluation process. We're talking months. This right here has the potential to cut months down to days or weeks, right? Because look, everything is here. You got a menu, you got why Mercans. Look, let me take you away. Where's the earn overview? Ooh, looks slick, right? Clean. Has a boom, I'm partial to light, but it has the overview, has case studies, podcasts. You got to click on that. Okay, that's cute. And then we got the resources, SLAs, implementation process overview, governance, global support model, the case studies. Okay, look. These are big names, folks. Okay. Why Mercans? Okay. Client testimonials. I can't tell you how many weeks we spent just trying to get a reference, get on the phone with a reference from a company. Like, this is legit cited names, titles, companies of people, analyst reports. Oh, legit companies. Oh, this is amazing. Compliance reports, what you got? Ooh, SOC certified, SOC compliant certified. You already know. This is everything you need in one place, folks. This is awesome. Overview. Don't forget about the AI. You can ask AI. Let's see. Okay, ask AI. Folks, y'all could be here for hours and doing a thing. And that's why I like it, because it's self-paced. I didn't have to sign any contracts to get to the digital sales room. I didn't have to do a demo to get a demo. Everything is right here. Why Mercans, resources. I love it. Check it out. This is made for the community, payroll community, and our voice matters. So we need to give them some feedback on this. Changes the game globally for payroll sales, folks. So let me know what y'all think. All right, let me go before Walt gets on. Check it out. Let me know. Let Mercans know, even better, right? Because there's probably feedback in here. Yeah, contact us. Hello. All right. Check it out, y'all.